funny. Let's sing and dance and learn ABCD together. O for apple, red and sweet. Let's clap our hands and tap our feet. B for ball, bounce up high. Throw it, catch it, touch the sky. E for cat, meow meow me. She runs around so happily. In shiny shoes, a teacup cup. E for elephant, big and strong. He plays the trumpet all day long. In the water, zoom and whoosh. In the water, zoom and whoosh. He eats the leaves, that's not all. E eats for hat, put it on now. Spin and twirl and take a bow. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. Melts so fast into my tummy. Pour it, sip it, feel it loose. K for kite, flying high. Zooming up into the sky. L for lion, king of the roar. Hear him growl, then hear him snore. Jumping around all day, hooray! N for nest, cozy and round. With baby birds that make the sound. O for owl, wise at night. He hoots and flies in the moonlight. In shiny shoes and icy snow. On icy snow, having a blast. Q for queen, waving with grace. In her castle with a smiling face. R for rainbow, colors bright. Red to violet, what a sight. S for sun, shining above. Spreading warmth and lots of love. T for train, chuck chuck choo. Hop aboard, we're off with you. Raindrops fall, but we're dry inside. E for violin, music sweet. In the water's on a lovely beat. W for watch, tick-tock time. Let's learn numbers and rhythm rhyme. X for xylophone, ding ding ding. Tap the bars and hear them sing. He lives in mountains with chilly air.